Hi, my name is Adrian, and I'm excited to show my project. So, my project is called Vericert. It solves the problem of fake diplomas and hard to verify certificates. So, right now, many schools still use printed or PDF certificates that are easy to fake with frauds. So, with Vericert, I use blockchain to make certificates secure, tamper-proof, and verifiable online anytime. Project Aim. So the goal is simple: help schools issue digital certificates that are safe and easy to check. The problem? Verification today is slow and manual. My solution: mint the certificate on a Stellar blockchain with a unique ID and hash. Admins issue it, and students, parents, and employers can easily check if it's real. I use modern tools to build Vericert, such as React and Tailwind for a clean, fast UI, Spring Boot with MongoDB for backend and data, Stellar SDK to connect with blockchain. I studied existing tools like Blocksearch and TrueCred, but kept my vision simpler and school friendly. Requirements: I focus on five key areas: the functional, admin, mint, and send tokens, user verify; the data, store, search, hashes, wallet info in the Mongo database; for the user, admin in public roles; for environment, Node.js, Spring Boot, cloud ready; usability, no blockchain knowledge needed, just click and check. I use MVC architecture, front end and back end, connected via APIs. The system has pages for login, minting, token sending, and verifying. The core logic is creating a memo hash that links the certificate to the blockchain and the database. So even without coding skills, anyone can verify the record instantly. I built the system using React for front end and Spring Boot for back end. The minting logic creates a unique memo hash, sends it to the blockchain, and saves it in the database. I tested everything manually using Postman and console logs. The UI is mobile ready, clean, and easy to use. So far, it's working as expected. I tested it both as admin and public user on the blockchain side. I use Stellar's testnet and LiveNet to mint and track certificates every detail, like the hash and student info match between the blockchain and database. The UI was tested on multiple devices. Result: the system is functional, secure, and reliable. Advantages and future. Vericert makes verification fast, secure, and online. It's user friendly even for non tech people, and blockchain makes it tamper proof. For now, token buying is still manual and only admins can mint. Those are limits. But in the future, I want to add IPFS for storage, let people buy or sell tokens, and expand across more schools. This project started as a simple idea, but I believe it can grow into a powerful tool for modern education. The demo of my capstone project. So first, my project is called Vericert, an immutable academic credentials on the blockchain. So the problem is simple but serious. How do we verify diplomas in a secure, tamper-proof way? As of now, like, fake certificates are all around, are everywhere, and most schools still rely on paper or PDFs that are easy to forge. That's why I built Vericert, a smart platform that lets school issue digital certificates on the blockchain, making them verifiable anytime, anywhere. So let me give you a quick tour of my project. So let's start for the public pages. For the first one is the home page. Here it explains Vericert and how it helps schools move to secure digital certificates. The next one is the About Us page, shares the story behind the project and how it started at the National College of Ireland. The next one is the EduSave page. Here, users can buy NCI tokens and save them for future tuition. You can also check that they can also connect and their wallets using Stellar. Parents can invest now for their child's future. Next one is the verified page. Anyone can enter a Stellar transaction ID to instantly check if the certificate is real. The system checks both the blockchain and the database to make sure everything matches. This is like a twin parallel algorithm. So the last one for the public pages is the minted certificates. Shows a public list of recently minted certificates with memo hash and transaction details. So let's proceed to the admin panel. So in the admin panel, only verified admins have access here. So we have mint certificate. So this is the core page where admins fill in the student details, and the system mint the certificate with a 32-byte Stellar memo hash, storing both on-chain and in a MongoDB. Next one is the notify students. On this page, the admin notifies students via email once their credentials is minted. So next page is the send token. This is a very exciting page because admin can send tokens with a memo to any Stellar wallet. It's a live net where this works with EduSave and is logged for transparency. So the tech stack I use for Vericert is React for the front end and Spring Boot for the back end. Also MongoDB for storage of the data and Stellar blockchain for minting certificate. It's secure, modern, and user-friendly. Vericert isn't just a project, it's a vision for secure digital diplomas that anyone can verify with confidence. Thank you for watching, and this is just the start of what Vericert can do. Bye!